Hello English learner, welcome to Learn Master English channel, a channel for learning master English fast and efficient. How to learn English easily? Learning English can be fun and easy if you use the right methods. Here are some tips to help you learn effectively. 1. Immerse yourself in English. Watch English movies or TV shows with subtitles. Listen to English songs and try to understand the lyrics. Read English books, articles, or comics. 2. Practice speaking every day. Talk to yourself in English. Find a language partner or join an English-speaking group. Use language exchange apps like HelloTalk or Tandem. 3. Improve your vocabulary. Learn 5-10 new words daily. Use flashcards or apps like Anki or Quizlet. Write down new words and try to use them in sentences. 4. Think in English. Try to describe what you see or do in English in your mind. Avoid translating from your native language. 5. Use English in your daily life. Change your phone and social media settings to English. Write a daily journal in English. Join online forums or social media discussions in English. 6. Learn grammar naturally. Focus on common phrases instead of memorizing rules. Pay attention to how native speakers form sentences. Use apps like Grammarly to check your writing. 7. Take online courses and use learning apps. Try apps like Duolingo, BBC Learning English, or FluentU. Join online courses on platforms like Coursera or Udemy. 8. Be consistent and have fun. Set small goals and reward yourself when you achieve them. Thanks for watching till the end. I hope you find this video helpful and you can master English quickly. If you more about English learning tips and up-to-date English learning video tips, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button for more English learning tips, and we'll put new great content every single day. And don't forget to give thumbs up and comment below if have some question. See you on the next video.